What's the meaning of amalgamate? Amalgamate. 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 Amalgamate.
The term amalgamate refers to the act of combining two or more things, usually entities or ideas, to form a new, unified whole. This often involves blending or merging different elements or components together to create a cohesive product or concept. The result of amalgamation can be seen in various fields, from business mergers and acquisitions to cultural integration and artistic collaborations. In essence, the end outcome of an amalgamation is a combination of previously separate entities that have been fused together to form something new and unique.